common greetings and how to respond. Informal greetings and responses. English in color. Let's start. What's up? Hey, what's up? Or, sup? What's going on? What's going on? What are you up to? What are you up to? So, equivalent greetings and responses. These are the same. What's up? Sup? What's going on? What are you up to? You could say, not much. You? Not too much. And you? Or, nothing much. How about you? Next, we have, how are you doing? Or, how you doing? How are ya? Or, how are you? These are the same. How are you doing? How you doing? How are ya? You could say, I'm doing good. You? Good. You? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Pretty well, thanks. You? Or pretty good, thanks. You? Not bad, you? Or not too bad. You? Last one. How's it going? Hey, how's it going? How's it going? You could say, it's going pretty good. You? Pretty good. You? Good. How about you? Pretty well, thanks. And you? Or pretty good, thanks. And you? Not bad. You? Not too bad. You? And that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with whoever could use it, and subscribe. See you next time.